Okay, so I was speaking to a potential credit repair client yesterday, and they told me, they said, I've gotten my credit repaired in the past. I went through a credit repair program in the past, and some things came off my credit report. I was trying to buy a house, but then the stuff came right back on. It got put right back on. And being that I was trying to buy a house, I was sitting down talking to my banker, and I was letting them know what I had done, and they told me that I just wasted my money. So she didn't believe in credit repair. She didn't think that it worked. So I figured I'd make this quick video to address anyone else that may feel the same way about credit repair. The first thing I want to do is address how credit repair works. Okay. When credit repair is done correctly, generally speaking, something can't be put back on your credit. It's illegal for the credit bureaus to report anything on your credit that is not accurate. That's illegal. Okay. The Fair Credit Reporting Act allows anyone that has anything negative on their credit report to dispute what's the negative account. Okay. And once you open up a dispute on your credit, once it's found out that the account is not being reported correctly, then by law, the account has to come off. And also by law, something can't be reported on your credit that has been found out to be reporting inaccurately. Okay. So my company, my credit restoration company, I didn't explain this to her yesterday because it would have been too much to turn her around. But my credit restoration company, the company that I partner with, we actually leverage the law. We leverage the Fair Credit Reporting Act. We use that law to get things off your credit report, which essentially means we're following all of the legalities that have to be done in order to get something off your credit report. And when you do follow everything that has to be done to get something off your credit report, and it's found out that that account is not being reported correctly, then again, by law, it has to come off. The only thing that will, generally speaking, the only thing that will allow something to be put back on your credit after it's taken off is if it was taken off incorrectly. But again, we leverage the law. We use the law to get things off your credit report. So when we get something off your credit report, it does not come back because we use the law to get it off. Now, the reason I keep saying generally speaking is because there's always an exception. So what do you do if you did get everything off your credit report legally and the creditor still reports it and still is trying to put it on your credit report? Well, the company that I partner with that offers the protection plan is what we call it. It also comes with credit attorneys. So in the event that you are the exception and everything has been done to get something off your credit report legally and it's still being put on there, then we give you access to credit attorneys that will go the extra mile to get that stuff off your credit report at no extra charge. Okay. So I want you to understand that when it comes to credit repair is totally legal, but you have to follow certain steps and procedures in order to get something off your credit the right way and to keep it off. Okay. My own credit repair story. I started credit repair a little bit over 60 days ago. And just within the first 60 days, just within the first round of disputes, I've gotten 7 items off my credit report, over $20,000 in debt that I've gotten off my credit report. Things that I was stressing about, I found out they weren't being reported correctly. And so I was able to get those things off my credit report. If you got any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. If one of your major goals within the next 12 months is to buy a house, or to get a car loan, or to use your credit for anything within the next year, but right now your credit is less than perfect, I want you to reach out to me because I can absolutely help you to increase your credit score quickly. We do a hard dispute on everything negative that's on your credit report, and we can get you results typically in about 45 to 90 days. And once we get something off your credit report, it does not come back. So if you got any questions about that, hopefully that answered them for you. Hopefully that addressed any uneasiness that you may have towards credit repair. My name is Maurice Bay. If you do have less than perfect credit and you have a desire to improve your credit quickly, please feel free to reach out to me. Just leave a comment saying I want more info, and I'll reach out to you and I'll let you know exactly how our program works.